Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at freelance writing jobs, a deep dive. Now, what is freelance writing? Freelance writing offers the enticing allure of freedom and flexibility, allowing writers to craft their own career paths. Here are some of the most sought after niche in this dynamic field. Number 1. Content writing. The essence of content writing is to craft compelling articles, blog posts, website copy, and other forms of online content to inform, engage, and persuade audiences. It has its pros and cons, which is what we're going to be examining today. All freelance writing jobs. Actually, let's look at 7 freelance writing jobs. The top 7 freelance writing jobs, their essence, their pros, and their cons. Yes, let's look at it that way. So like I said earlier, number 1 is content writing. What's its essence? It helps in crafting compelling articles, blog posts, website copy, and other forms of online content to inform, engage, and persuade audiences. The pros: high demand, diverse niches from tech to travel, potential for long-term client relationships. Those are the 3 pros of content writing. They're the benefits. Now let's look at the disadvantages. It can be kind of competitive. It requires constant effort to find new clients, and your income is not constant. It fluctuates. So let's look at the second. The second freelance writing job is technical writing. What is the essence of technical writing? In technical writing, you translate complex technical information into clear and concise language for manuals, guides, and software documentation. What are the pros of technical writing? 1. High earning potential. We like that. High earning potential. Number 2, specialized knowledge is often in demand. So, you have high earning potential at the same time you're in demand. So you are hot. Next, you can work with cutting edge technologies. Wow, these pros are looking more attractive by the second. Now let's look at the flip side. Yeah, it requires a strong technical understanding. You can't fake it, you gotta know it. And next, it can be demanding because it requires precision. But just 2 cons? Come on, I think it's a great job. Let's do it. Number 3, what can we go into? Let's dive into the world of creative writing. What is the essence of creative writing? 1. Crafting captivating narratives, including fiction, screenplays, poetry, and creative non-fiction. Creative writing. A lot of us are very creative. So I think this will be a good job. Let's look at the pros. What are the advantages? Why should we even go into creative writing? Why should we put so much effort into this? Number 1, high potential for artistic expression. You have the chance to let your inner artist out for the world to see how great you are. Number 2, you have the opportunity to build a personal brand. You have the potential for royalties and licensing. Wow, this is great. On the flip side, it can be highly competitive. It requires a strong portfolio and you must have a unique voice. You may have a longer path to financial stability, which means it's going to take a while, but you're going to get there. In a way, it's like YouTube. Like making content for YouTube. It takes a while to get monetized, but when you do get monetized, oh boy, you're in. You start reaping enjoy for a very, very long time. The financial stability part is set. So I think going to creative writing is a great idea. Next, we have grant writing. Grant writing. What is grant writing? It involves researching and writing compelling grant proposals. Researching and writing compelling grant proposals to secure funding for non-profits, research institutions, and other organizations. So humanitarian. That's nice. What are the advantages of this job? One, it's a high impact work. Yes, you're impacting a lot of lives. Two, you have the opportunity to contribute to meaningful causes. Yes, very, very meaningful. Number three is often well compensated. So you're just helping out, you're getting paid to do that. Wow. Let's look at the cons. What are the disadvantages? What are the things that could go wrong? Well, it's not as if it could go wrong, but it requires in-depth research. You must be precise. And it requires proposal writing expertise. So you have to develop this aspect, this skill very well, because it's a competitive field. A lot of competition out there. They'll prove you worth the money. Number 5, copywriting. Copywriting is a great job. In fact, I've heard this a lot. Let's see, what's copywriting? Copywriting involves creating or crafting persuasive and engaging marketing copy for advertisements, websites, sales materials, and more. It is a high demand job. It's in high demand across various industries. That's a benefit to it. You have the potential for high earnings and other benefits. You have the opportunity to work on creative and impactful campaigns. The benefits. Those are the 3 benefits of copywriting. In summary, there are other benefits, of course. Now let's look at the negative side. It can be fast-paced and demanding. This is not a negative side. This is like a challenge instead. It can be fast-paced and demanding, so you just have to prove your worth. Next, it requires a strong understanding of marketing principles. Yes, it requires a strong understanding of marketing principles and persuasive language. You must be able to persuade them using the written word. Next we have on our list is SEO content writing. SEO. On almost every social media platform, I've been hearing this word SEO. What does it even mean? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Many of us didn't know that. What is this SEO? SEO, we've been saying it a lot just to prove that we're in. But at the same time, what exactly is SEO? What exactly is a search engine optimization? It is a practice actually of improving your website's visibility in organic, that is non-paid, search engine results. Like when you search for something on Google, Bing, or any other search engine, you are presented with a list of results. This is the job of SEO, search engine optimization. SEO aims to get your website to rank higher in those results. Wow, it's a great job. Let's look at a simple breakdown of SEO, search engine optimization. Imagine a library. SEO is like organizing the library's books so that people can easily find the ones they are looking for. Very important. 2, search engines are like librarians. They crawl the internet, indexing and organizing information. Also, SEO is like helping the librarian understand your books. So you make sure your book titles, descriptions, and content are clear, relevant, and easy for the librarian, that is the search engine, to understand. Why is SEO important? 1, increased visibility. Higher search engine rankings mean more people will see your websites. It also gives you more traffic. It increases visibility, translates into more visitors to your website, because the more people see it, the more they visit your website. Number 3, it helps to improve your brand awareness. It builds credibility and trust in your brand. Next, it helps increase leads and conversion. More website visitors can lead to more leads, more sales, and more conversions. People will like your website, visit your website, and continue using your website. Now, what are the key aspects of SEO? We have on-page optimization and we have off-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing website contents like text, images, and videos with relevant keywords, improving the website structure and navigation, and also ensuring website speed and mobile friendliness. What is off-page optimization? This involves building high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. It involves building brand mentions and social media engagement. So as you can see, SEO is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort and adaptation to evolving search engine algorithms. Now that we've understood SEO a little bit, let's look at the essence of SEO. If you go into SEO as a business, or in this case, SEO as a form of content writing, SEO content writing as a form of freelance writing job. What is the essence of it? Why go into it? What would you do there? You will create high quality content that is optimized for search engines. You will improve website visibility and attract organic traffic. Now, why is it necessary, or why should you go into SEO content writing? One, it is a job that is in high demand due to the ever-growing importance of SEO. So it gives an opportunity to specialize in the specific niches. What are the disadvantages? Well, just one. It requires a strong understanding of SEO principles and algorithms, which are constantly evolving. So you have to be constantly updated on it. You cannot slack off. The next step of freelance writing job is UX writing. What's the essence of UX writing? Here you craft clear, concise, and user-friendly in-app messages, website copy, and interface text that enhances the user experience. Now, one of the advantages is that it's in high demand, especially in the digital age. You get an opportunity to work on innovative projects, and you can contribute to creative, intuitive, and enjoyable user interfaces. Disadvantages: it requires a deep understanding of user psychology and behavior, and it may actually require specialized training. Now, we've looked at the top 7 freelance writing jobs. Top 7 freelance writing jobs that are content writing, technical writing, creative writing, grant writing, copywriting, SEO content writing, and UX writing. Now, let's look at something important. We've been saying it, but I want to emphasize on it again. The freelance writing landscape is constantly evolving. This list is just a snapshot of some of the most prominent and in-demand niches. So you have to carefully research your interests and develop a strong portfolio so that you can carve out a successful and rewarding career as a freelance writer. I wish you all the best. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. And please let us know how you're progressing in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.